In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the background of your video using the green screen feature in CapCut. Let's get started. First, open CapCut and create a new project. Import both your green screen video and the background image or video you want to use. Drag and drop your background image or video onto the timeline first. Now, drag and drop your green screen video onto the track above the background layer in the timeline. To match their duration, drag the edges of the background layer. To remove the green screen background, select the green screen video clip on the timeline. Next, click on the Remove Background button at the top of the screen to open the Cutout options. In the Cutout options, enable the Chroma Key feature. This allows you to remove the green screen of your video. Use the color picker to select the green color in your video. The green background should disappear, revealing your background layer underneath. If there are any leftover green areas, adjust the intensity and the shadow slider until the green is completely removed. Now, resize and reposition the green screen video to fit your background by pinching and dragging it in the previous screen. Playback your video to see how the new background looks with the subject. Once you're satisfied with the results, click the export button to save your edited video. And that's it. You've successfully changed the background of your video using the green screen feature in CapCut. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!